Okay, this is the spray mop. It comes with one of those pads and an extra pad. And this is, gets attached to the bottom right there. And you fill it up with your own solution, and which I like because I like to make my own. And I think this is probably good for people that have like all natural stuff too, because I don't think they make these like the pre-made ones with the all natural stuff. Plus, it would probably be really expensive if they did. So you just screw the cap back on. Pop it in, just make sure it's down in there. And then on the handle, there's a little spray spout. It moves all around. It's 360 degrees. Let me see if I can, sorry about that. My mom's watching my daughter. Let's see if I can adjust this so you can see it a little bit better. Sorry. Sorry about that. Okay. So you just want to spray the handle a couple times, and it comes out of actually this hole right here. And you just spray it a couple times, depending on how, you know, what you want it, how bad the area is. It comes out in a wide spray, not like a short stream. So that's good too. Smells great. I love my stuff. So you just do the floor, and then afterward, I usually give you 2 pads so you can wash one and the other one, you know, can be ready for you. It also comes with, this is on the side here. It looks like it comes off, and it's really hard. It's like silicone, and you can just probably, in case you don't want to do this every time, wash it every time, just go through the top of this and take all the gunk off, the end of the hair and stuff. If you had animals, it'll probably be golden. All right, so this is the spray mop. Enjoy.
Y'all, I would not even waste your money on this mop. I've had it for like 2 months, if that, and it only took about a month for this part to break, like the head of it that goes on, and I've had to just like keep pushing it on. So if you would go around turns, it would just pop right back off. And now the squirter where the cleaning product comes out of, it completely broke. It won't even spray anymore. So it might be a cheap option, but it's not even worth it.
Los exhorto que participen este sábado y domingo a la Plaza Pública de Guayama para que participen de la Feria Artesanal. La plaza más hermosa de Guayama. Eso es así. De Puerto Rico. Yo estoy de acuerdo que es una de las más hermosas. La más hermosa no lo voy a decir porque lo voy a buscar en pero usted lo dice. Es amigo de alcalde. Lo cierto es que, aparte de Augusto, ¿cuántos artesanos y artesanas más van a estar? Hay sobre 50 compañeros que van a estar presentando su arte aquí, sobre 50 artesanos de Guayama y de la
Right, that's just continuously broke now. It don't do nothing, so it's all break. It didn't last more than 5 minutes, to be honest with you. Look, no good at all. Want my money back.
It's pretty easy to use. Go. Very easy to use, very light and cleans well.